Compwire is a 28 years old company based in Brazil. We have plus 500 customers and we work with several industries like manufacturing, financial services and public sector. With 14 offices around Brazil, we try to give our best supporting our customers, understanding their needs and giving them all the best solutions that we have, considering that data is the new bacon. The partnership between Compwire and Cloudera starts in 2016, but the first deal we did together was in 2017 in government. In 2018, we did one of the biggest deals together, selling one of the biggest data lakes for the federal government in a customer called Serpro. This is, until now, this is one of the biggest reference that we have in the country. I believe that Compwire and Cloudera working together can deliver the best solutions for data. So everybody knows that Cloudera starts this game. It starts selling the best solutions for data. It starts the data lake strategy for many customers around the globe. Working with Cloudera, we have all support we need here in Brazil. But besides that, globally, we have a lot of good reference that we can replicate here locally. Together with Cloudera, we can deliver benefits to our customers. We can understand their needs and together, putting data and all the things that we know, considering our background in Brazil, we can deliver the best solutions locally. Of course, Cloudera gives to Compwire one of the best supports that we have, considering our partners in Brazil, because we have a lot of references, we have a lot of people and technical support to deliver the best solutions in the market. AI is a game changer. Everybody's talking about AI, not only here in Brazil, but globally. Considering that movement, Compwire is really engaged in delivering the best solution in the market. But we cannot forget that data is one of the best requests that we receive every day from our customers. How we can support that customers, giving them data and AI together. Considering that, Compwire is investing a lot. Recently, we acquired a company, a software company, to put our software solutions, AI and data together. Considering that, we can deliver the best solution with Cloudera to our customers.